Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are well. Once again, I welcome you all to my English class. Hope you all are enjoying these classes. In our today's class, we are going to write the alphabets. We are going to write the alphabets from A to D. Means today we will write the alphabet A, B, C and D. Dear children, as you all know how to write these alphabets, right? I know that you all are very smart. But children, today I am going to teach you how to write these alphabets in cursive. So my dear children, please follow me that how I am writing. Dear children, please take out your English copy. At the top corner, write CW. And on the heading, write CUR. Cur. SIVE. Sieve. Cursive. WRI. Ri. TING. Ting. Writing. Cursive. Writing. Now children, see how I have set my copy. I have written A, B, C, D and in between these alphabets I have drawn the lines for separating this. This will make my work neat and clean. Now children, let me show you how to write A. The first one is capital cursive A and the second one is small letter cursive A. Now children, I will show you how to write. Please follow me very carefully. Before writing, please take out your pencil and make your pencil sharp. You should always write with sharp pencil. You have to write with sharp pencil. Okay? Now see how to write A. We will start writing A from this line, from the third line. So this one is our starting point. This one is our starting point. From here we will start writing A. From this third line, we will go up to the red line. Then we will touch the red line. Again we will come down to the third line. From here we will go up to the second line and then we will make a circle. Now I have completed writing capital A. Now I will join this and I will write small letter A. Now children, have a look. From here I will make a small round in this second line and this third line. Then from here I will make a circle and I will make it down. In this way I will write A, capital A and small letter A. Again I am showing you, please follow me. From the third line, this is our starting point. From here we will go up. Then again we will come down to the third line. Then we will go up to the second line. We will make a circle here. From here we will join and we will make a circle within these two lines, within the second line and the third line, and then again we will come down to the third line. I hope you have understood how to write A. Now again I am writing, please follow me. Children, please follow me very carefully. See, I was out of the line. So children, now what should I do? Who can help me? Yes, very good. Now I have to erase it. So I will take my eraser and I will erase this. I made a mistake. So I should not continue my mistake. What should I do? I should erase and again I have to write it very nicely. From here I will make a circle and I will come down and again I will go up and make A. Okay, in this way we will write capital A and small a. Now children, can you tell me what is the phonic sound of A? Very good. A sounds ah. A sounds ah. Now I will show you how to write B. Now follow me children. This is our starting point for writing B. Say this dot. This is our starting point. From here, from this starting point means from this red line, we will come down to the third line. Then again we will go up to the red line and again we will come down to the second line. Then again to the third line and from here I will join and again I will go up and again I will come down. Then from here again I will go up to the second line and then I will make a small circle. In this way I will complete writing capital B and small b. So this one is capital B and this one is small b. Now children, let me show you again how to write. Please follow me. From here, from this red line we will come down to the third line, then again we will go up to the red line, then we will come down to the second line, then third line, then again from here I will join and I will go up, then again I will come down and this. In this way I will complete writing capital B and small b. Again please follow me children. Oh, see, I made a mistake. What should I do, children? Yes, you are right. If we make some mistake in writing, we should erase it. We should not continue our mistake. Okay, so we will erase it. See, and when you will erase, please erase it very neatly. No mark should be there. Okay. Now this one is our starting point. From here, then up, this one and this one. I hope you understand how to write B. Now children, can you tell me what is the phonic sound of B? B sounds, tell me. Very good. B sounds B. B sounds B. Okay. Now, let me show you how to write C. From this line, from this third line, this one is our starting point. From here we have to start. From here we will go up to the red line. Then we will make a small curve and we will come down to the third line. Then we will join and we will write the small c. So this one is our capital C and this one is our small c. This one capital C and this one is small letter c. Now children, please follow me. This one is our starting point. From here we will go up to the red line. We will make small circle. Then we will come down to the third line. Then again we will go up to the second line. We will make curve. Then we will come to the third line. And in this way we will complete writing C. Children, I hope that you have understood how to write C. Now again you follow me. how nicely I have written? In this way, you also have to write. Now, let me show you how to write D. So, for writing D, this one is our starting point. From here, we will come down to the third line. Then we will make a small circle. And then we will go up to the red line and we will join for writing small d. In this way, we will write small letter d. Again, all of you, please follow me. From this red line, we will come down to the third line. Then again, we will go up to the red line. We will make curve. Then in this second line and in this third line, we will make circle. Then again we will go up and again we will come down. In this way we will write D. Hope you have understood how to write D. Again, all of you, please follow me. From here we will come down. Then this. Oh. Now tell me, children, is this correct? No, right? See, my handwriting went out of the line. So what should I do? Yes, you are right. I have to erase it. So I will erase it. And I will erase it very neatly. You have to hold the copy and then you have to erase. Now again I will write D. D. This one is D. You have to say loudly and write, okay? D. So children, this one is capital D and this one is small letter d. Now who can tell me the phonic sound of D? Very good. D sounds D. D sounds D. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. And D sounds D. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. And capital D, small d. I hope that you all have enjoyed this class, right children? So I have done this for you. You have to do homework. I have done these 4 lines for you. You have to write this full page and you have to practice. Okay? So what you will do? You will practice writing capital and small letter A, B, C, D full page. You will write full page with very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? So this is all for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.